Flying the Mavic Air with the new SkyHook drop, and we're going to take it up and drop a paratrooper. You can see him dangling from the bottom. And we're just moving on out. Here we go. We're climbing 150 feet. This is going to be a long one. All right, she's up 260 feet. I'll give you a direct drop, what it's going to look like. And stand by. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. No, I don't want to go there. I need to move over just a little bit more. All right, here we go. Stand by. 3, 2, 1. And there she goes. We have a parachute. See if I can find it. Floating somewhere.